Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So before starting with the video, if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for latest updates. So as you all people know that the Telangana State Council for Higher Education has successfully completed TS Eamcet 2020 examinations. So now most of the students are asking that when they will release question paper and key paper and when we can download our response sheet and our rank card. So first of all, we'll talk regarding the response sheet. Response sheet is nothing but your question paper. In that sheet, you can see that which option you have opted for a specific question and what is the correct answer for it. So once the response sheet is released, you can easily check how many marks you have got in the TS Eamcet 2020 examination. So the response sheet and the master question paper with key will release together. So once they release master question paper with key, you can find this option which are showing on the screen on the official website of TS Eamcet 2020. So once the key is released, you can also keep objection on the key. If you have any doubt regarding any question, you can keep objection on that question. So now if you talk regarding the releasing date of TS Eamcet 2020 response sheet and master question paper with premier key, so as you all know that today is the last exam of TS Eamcet 2020. So we can expect that by the end of this week, they will release that key paper and master question papers of TS Eamcet 2020. And if you talk regarding the rank card of TS Eamcet 2020, you can expect that in the next week they can release TS Eamcet 2020 rank card. So once they release TS Eamcet 2020 rank card, you can see this option which is showing on the screen on the official website of TS Eamcet 2020. So that's all for this video. If there will be any update regarding the TS Eamcet 2020 results, question papers or answer key, I will be updating on this channel. Make sure to join my WhatsApp group where you can find fast and latest update regarding the Eamcet 2020. The link is available in the description. So share this informative video with your friends and family members. Thanks for watching.